I decided to take the dog for a walk one night. She's quite large, Shepherd Great Dane mixed. She jumped, I fell flat on my face, and they felt loose, all the teeth on top. So we went to see the dentist, and he started the surgery with removing all of my upper teeth and had to put in a denture. I cried like a baby. I always had nice teeth. I always took care of my teeth, and the idea of wearing a denture, it was traumatic. Like I said, I did a lot of crying, and I couldn't believe it was happening. I went through the surgery. He removed all my teeth, put in the dentures, but initially, I'll never forget the pain. I was in the bathroom by myself for 2 hours, trying to gently loosen them. And at that point, I wanted to just throw them across the room because I just didn't want to go through this. I did get used to it, but now the challenge was speaking correctly, couldn't sing, and most of all, couldn't eat, could not taste my food. And every time I bit down on something, I felt like they were shifting up and down or left to right. I just didn't feel healthy anymore. I didn't like the way I looked, and the inside of my mouth did not feel normal. I had the utmost confidence in the staff at Comprehensive. Every question that I had written down was answered in detail. The first time I looked at myself in the mirror on the day that my implants were put in permanently was a shock. I know my smile was from left to right. It was, here I am again. Here's who I was, and I'm back. I don't worry about them falling out or moving or shifting. Your mouth, the way you speak, your teeth, everything, it becomes a total reflection of you. That's who you are. And I'm back to being who I was before I had that accident.